Hello friends, so today we are going to learn this beautiful Madhubani art step by step from an old unused clock. So welcome back to my channel. For this project I used one wall clock which is not working, scissor, pencil, brushes, fine outliner, permanent marker, acrylic colors and paper which is of 200 or more GSM. Now we'll start with the removing parts of the clock. Now you can measure the internal radius or just simply go with the size of glass to cut the paper. Here I have drawn 3 inner circles, as first 2 circles are used for the border, which is very important in any Madhubani painting. Then I have divided it into 12 equal parts so that I can draw in each part a separate fish, which is theme of my design. In Madhubani painting, symmetry is very important. So initially, as a beginner, you can take help of scale or other things for drawing basic structure, as well as you should start with the pencil, because if any kind of mistake is done, you can correct it. So here I am making use of pencil for drawing basic structure and other details. For fine details, you can directly go for marker. So here is the complete design. After finalizing design, you can trace it with the help of marker or nib or brush, 0 number or 1 number. It totally depends on you. Here I am using permanent outliner, black color of Fiber Castle brand. For main borders, you can go with the thick medium size permanent marker, and gradually for fine details you can go for smaller size. Madhubani paintings are also known as Mithila paintings, as it is originated from Mithila region of Bihar. So this is the final look of our design after tracing it with the black color marker. You can keep it as it is, so it will be called as Kachni style, and if you are coloring it, it will become Bharni style Madhubani painting. Now we'll be starting with the coloring part. Always choose bright and vibrant color in this painting because it will easily attract your eye. The painting will look very beautiful. You can see I have used always two parallel lines in order to differentiate one design from other. In that way it will highlight it as well. You keep that area as it is and fill rest of the area with colors, and in this way it will highlight that design and easily pop up. So this is the final look of our Madhubani painting. Now you can attach it inside the clock with the help of dual side tape. Here I am not making use of Fevicol, as you can change it as well whenever you want different designs. This design can be used in wall clock as well, but I am just using it as a frame because it is having equal 12 parts. So just make a hole at the center and place that machine and hands of a clock, and then hope you liked today's video. Let me know in the comment section. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.